What's up guys, Chigz here, and today I've got my hands on what could be the most advanced robot vacuum I've ever tested. It features extending cleaning arms, a massive 42,000 PA of suction, and it can even climb stairs. Well, sort of. So let me introduce you to the new Dreame X60 Pro Ultra Complete. So let's find out if it's really as complete as it claims to be. Roll the intro. Right, so quick look at what you get inside the box. And as you can see, there is a lot included. So you got your paperwork user guide over there. You got a multi-surface floor cleaner included. This also comes with spare rollers, your removable mopping pads, and the actual cloth is held on by Velcro. You're getting 6 spare mopping pads included in the box. You don't usually get this much. And not only that, you're getting 2 spare filters, and you're getting 3 dust bags included in the box. Now, usually you'll have 1 pre-installed. So does that mean you're getting 4? We'll find out in a minute. But we've got power cable, the actual robot vacuum finished in white, and last but not least, the base station itself. Let's talk price. This is pretty much a flagship robot vacuum, and it comes with a flagship price tag to go with it. The recommended retail price is 1499 euros, but during the launch promotion, Dreame is knocking 200 euros off, bringing the price down to 1299. And considering what this thing can do and what extras you're getting, that price doesn't seem bad at all. And setup is exactly what you'd expect. You download the Dreame Home app and you simply follow the on-screen instructions, connect the vacuum to Wi-Fi, and within a few minutes, you are ready to map your home. All right, now let's talk design. Now, the first thing you'll notice is how premium everything feels. The robot has a sleek, low-profile design, measuring only 88 millimeters tall, allowing it to slide under plenty of furniture. Now, on the front, you can see it says stereo vision, along with your dual AI camera system. Now, on the top, you've got your power and home button, and that's also your LiDAR navigation tower, which will lift upwards when it needs to. Now, the top lid of the robot actually comes off, and it is held on magnetically. And this compartment here is your dust box. You can see a filter is already attached. So in the box, you're getting plenty of spares and one already installed. This is your dust box, which you can manually empty, but you're never going to need to do that because the docking station takes care of all of that. This is just for servicing. The only reason you would need to access this is to maybe replace the filter or clean the filter and reuse it. We've got more sensors on the back, and you've got your charging pins as well. And if we flip this thing over, on the underside, you've got a brand new HyperStream Duo Brush system. Now, I've never seen a dual brush system in a robot vacuum before, and you can remove the compartment and you can take them out to clean and service. And in the box, you do get another spare set of rollers. So over here, you've got dual mopping pads, which I've stuck on magnetically. Now, you've got a lifting side brush. So the side brush there will lift outwards. And over here is a robotic arm, which will extend the mopping brush. You've got large grippy wheels with suspension to maneuver over different terrains. And you've got a 360 wheel, so this thing can go in any direction. Now, the docking station is equally impressive. It's certainly not small, it's quite tall, so you do need to make sure you have somewhere suitable to place it. Now, on the front, you can see it says Dreame, and you've got a power LED. And the little writing there says, "Empower your dream life, Dreame Innovation Lab." You have a lid on top, which opens up on a hinge. Water tanks, nicely hidden. You've got your clean water tank and your dirty water tank. I actually like that, it's nicely hidden away. And then you've got your compartment over here, which is indicated by an arrow. So you can pull from here. And over here, you can see we've got a dust bag pre-installed for you. And over here, it says pull. If you pull it out, that is your detergent box. So you just pour the detergent into this hole, close, and you slot it back in. So I'm very impressed with the design of this thing. It's glass or perspex finish on the front. It's reflective, but it looks really nice. This has to be the smartest and neatest looking robot vacuum system I have ever seen. So this thing can automatically empty the dustbin. Dreame says you can go up to 100 days without manually emptying it, depending on your usage. Then it automatically washes the mop pads, dries them using hot air. It automatically mixes cleaning solution, refills the robot's clean water tank. Now, the first thing the robot does is map your home. Navigation is quick, accurate, and surprisingly efficient. Within minutes, it will produce a detailed floor plan inside the app, automatically detecting rooms and furniture. If you've used older robot vacuums, you'll probably notice the difference immediately, especially in speed. Instead of wandering around, wondering where it is, this thing looks like it already knows where it's going before it even gets there. Navigation is handled by Dreame's new AI OmniSight 3.0 system. It combines dual 120-degree AI cameras, structured light sensors, and depth perception to recognize over 320 different types of household objects. It also reacts to new obstacles in around 0.1 seconds, helping it avoid items that suddenly appear in its path. Instead of bumping into slippers or random toys lying around the house, the X60 slows down, analyzes what's in front of it, and smoothly navigates around it. Another clever addition is Dreame's proactive dirt detection. Using LED illumination together with infrared sensing, the robot can detect dust, dirt, and even low visibility stains more effectively, including transparent liquids. It then adjusts its cleaning strategy depending on what it finds. Now that's a pretty neat feature because not every spill is obvious, especially if you've got children or pets. Now this is probably my favorite feature on the whole robot. Dreame calls it Dual Ultra Extend Arms 4.0. Essentially, the side brush can extend up to 12 centimeters, while the mop can swing out as far as 18 centimeters to physically reach areas that the robot vacuum normally misses. This includes skirting boards, corners, cabinet edges, and those awkward gaps around furniture. Now, watching the side brush reach out underneath furniture is strangely satisfying. Another major upgrade this year is the Pro Leap system. The robot now features retractable legs and articulated wheel mechanisms, allowing it to climb obstacles up to 5.2 centimeters high or even 10 centimeters when tackling double layer thresholds. So if you've got raised door thresholds, thick rugs, or awkward transitions between different floor types, this makes a huge difference. Now let's talk about what really matters, the cleaning performance. Now the headline figure is 42,000 pascals of suction power, which is absolutely enormous for a robot vacuum, combined with dual rotating mop pads spinning at 280 RPM and 15 N of downward pressure. This thing is designed to deal with everything from fine dust to dried on stains in a single pass. And instead of simply dragging a damp cloth across the floor, the robot also intelligently extends one of the mop pads to reach much closer to skirting boards and furniture edges. Again, it's another small detail that makes a noticeable difference in everyday cleaning. Now helping with that is Dreame's new HyperStream Detangling Duo Brush 2.0. So instead of relying on a single roller, you get two different brush designs working together. One is a bristled rubber brush designed to get deep into hard floor gaps and gout lines. The other is a TPU rubber roller that's much better suited for lifting dirt and hair from carpets. The upgraded brush now spins at 1,600 RPM compared to 1,150 RPM in the previous model, and the rubber strips are now 60% thicker, allowing them to dig deeper into carpets while maintaining Dreame's anti-tangle performance. During testing, I threw all sorts at it. Dust, cereal, coffee ground. On hard floors, it performed exactly how you'd expect from a flagship robot. One pass handled the vast majority of debris. Larger particles disappeared without needing multiple attempts. And because the side brush extends towards the edge, very little debris get flicked away before being collected. Carpets also benefit from the extra suction and the faster brush rotation. That's where the extra cleaning performance really comes from. The robot automatically maps carpets and rugs inside the app, allowing you to customize exactly how each area should be cleaned. For example, you can choose carpet first cleaning, avoid rugs altogether, or enable special cleaning paths for rugs with tassels. Once it detects carpet, the mop automatically lifts by 10.5 millimeters, the side brush lifts by 10 millimeters, and suction increases for a deeper clean without dragging wet mop pads across your carpets. Now probably the standout feature inside the dock is the new 100 degrees Celsius Thermo hub mop washing system. The washboard can reach temperatures up to 100 degrees Celsius, thoroughly cleaning the mop pads before drying them using hot air afterwards. The obvious benefit here is hygiene. Hot water helps break down grease, removes stubborn dirt, and keeps the mop pads fresher for longer. Now battery life is equally impressive. Inside is a 5000 milliamp hour battery paired with Dreame's new Power Master technology. One feature I particularly like here is the fast charging. Dreame claims the battery can recover around 24% charge in just 5.5 minutes, meaning far less waiting if the robot needs to top itself up before finishing a clean. If the battery does run low, the robot simply returns to the dock, charges, then continues the cleaning job exactly where it left off. Now let's talk about the app. And the app is called the Dreame Home app. Everything is nicely organized. Room editing is straightforward. You can customize suction levels, water flow, cleaning sequences, no-go zones, virtual walls, carpet behavior, scheduling, and pretty much every cleaning parameter you can think of. Now there's one feature I couldn't fully test because it isn't actually available yet, and that is CyberX. Think of it as a companion stair climbing module that works together with the X60 according to Dreame. CyberX will allow the robot to move between floors by climbing stairs using its quad leg design. While descending, it also cleans the stairs with dual side brushes and 6000 pascals of suction power before transferring debris back into the X60's dustbin. Now that's probably one of the most futuristic things I've ever seen announced for a robot vacuum. Whether people actually need it, we'll have to wait and see. So there you have it guys, that was the Dreame X60 Pro Ultra Complete. And here are my thoughts. The Dreame X60 Pro Ultra Complete delivers exceptional cleaning performance with an incredible 42,000 pascals of suction. Its dual ultra extended arms provides excellent edge cleaning, while AI OmniSight 3.0 offers superb obstacle avoidance. The HyperStream Duo Brush resists hair tangles exceptionally well, and the dual spinning mops leave hard floors spotless. The self-cleaning dock is one of the best available. Battery life is excellent with fast charging, and the feature-rich app offers extensive customization. Now if you add Matter Smart Home support and premium build quality, then you have here a true flagship robot vacuum. Now onto the caveats, the premium price won't suit every budget, and the large docking station requires plenty of space. So bottom line, after spending some time with the Dreame X60 Pro Ultra Complete, it's clear this is a robot vacuum built around convenience. Once it's set up, it simply gets on with the job, requiring very little input from you. Yes, it's expensive, but you are paying for a genuinely hands-off experience rather than just some better specs. If you want one of the most advanced and capable automated robot vacuums on the market, this is an easy recommendation. Links are in the description if you'd like to check out the latest pricing and availability. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, sub to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming up next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.